While painters use paint and brushes, and sculptors use chisels and stones, sound artists use sound and listening as the material to create art. Not exactly, but both sound art and music are very similar art forms. They are abstract, they are not a thing, and they exist only in time. Instead of a tangible piece of art, they are actually a process. When a piece of music or sound has gone, there is nothing left but a memory. When we talk about music, we tend to focus on either the thing that makes the sound, that is the musical instrument, or the rules of writing music, things like pitches, rhythms, and meters. In sound art, we forget about the rules. We pay attention to the sound itself, especially the sounds that we have often neglected. Children can start composing with or without musical training. Basic skills of composition are to listen, to explore, and to organize. It does not necessarily have to be a key, a meter, or be notated in traditional staves. This course aims to open up the children's minds about music composition. Children will develop confidence through creation and learn how to talk about the creative process.